Hello everyone, good morning. Guess where we are today? We are in Pasir Gudang Ferry Terminal. So, where are we going today? Let's check it out.
Look, the queue is long in the morning. So we need to queue first before to redeem our online ticket at the counter. There are so many people taking the ferry even on weekdays. Even the waiting area is quite crowded with people. The ticket redemption at the counter requires only a short amount of time because we already booked the ticket online. Before we depart by ferry, we are obligated to go through immigration to check on our details. No mobile phone and camera are allowed during this process. After the immigration process, we need to walk a little bit to our ferry jetty. Come on, let's take a look. What kind of ferry we will ride today? Wow! See? It's MDM Express. It is a passenger ship that was built in 2018, 4 years ago, and sailing under the flag of Indonesia. Her length overall is 23 meters and her width is 6 meters. There are so many seats inside this ferry. You can choose wherever you want to sit. There are many guidelines stickers on the wall to guide every passengers. This ferry can carry up to 163 passengers and can reach a speed of 25 knots. You can find a life jacket under the seat in case of emergency. Also, the ferry is equipped with air conditioners and fire alarm. As you can see, they have signboards for direction in detail. And inside this ferry, they provide you toilet. It's easy for you to do your business here. Even the toilet is clean and smells good. Let's take a look at baggage area. It's big and have many compartments for you to store your own luggage. Even the legroom is so spacious. They also provide you power socket. See? At the front. And you can enjoy a karaoke session with other passengers. This ferry is also equipped with CCTV and live buoy. Finally, after 1 hour and 30 minutes, I can see Batam mainland. Indonesia time, 1 hour behind compared to Malaysia. The crew here is very kind. They will help you with your luggage. Yay! Finally! We are at Batam Centre International Ferry Terminal. Let's go! We are obligated to go through Indonesia immigration to check on our details, passport and vaccination status on My Sejahtera. Finally, we are here in Indonesia. People here are so friendly and we got no communication problem. Very easy and peasy. So, that's all from me. Bye-bye.